if you want to know how to make these detox weight loss water recipe, then keep watching this video. Here it is, guys. You've asked for it and I've done it. So let's get on. Let's see how to make this. But before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that little red button that says subscribe right there and you will be subscribed to the channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell because that's how you're going to get your notifications and you will not miss another video. Summer's coming up. I have a lot of wonderful things for you guys. I am hyped. I am pumped. And we are going to lose some weight together. We're going to feel good together. We can do this. So with that being said, let's get into these detox weight loss water recipes. So to make our instant belly fat burner and our detox water recipe, this is going to be the first one that I'm going to be making. We're going to need blueberries, mint, and watermelon. Yes. Summer's coming up. We are all about eating healthy and trying to get to our healthy weight for the summer, just for ourselves. We started this journey on January 1st and let's continue it, okay? And you can make these in advance. Let's go ahead and put some ice. Woo-hoo. Get some crushed ice in there, huh, baby? Yes. Watermelon. Then I'm gonna add my blueberries. And 3 mint leaves that I'm just gonna add in there. Now let's add our water. All right, so let's pour. Ooh, yeah, baby, look at that, so yummy. We have everything. We have our mint, we have our blueberries, and we have our watermelon and our ice. This is it, babies. This is it. Let's just take a look at you, how beautiful you are. So that's our first detox water. Our next detox water recipe, and this is gonna help burn belly fat as well. You're gonna need some cucumbers, some lemon, and some green tea. Now I'm using the matcha green tea, but you can use any green tea that you want. Let's just go ahead and add some ice, guys. All right, so green tea, watch it. Cucumbers, and I'm adding my lemon, cucumbers. Don't forget, these are instant belly burner water recipe, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna add some more water. All right, and here's a stevia. You can just use, and stevia is a plant extract. It's calorie free. It's up to you. 1, 2, not much, a little drop of stevia, just to give a little bit of sweet, if you must have that sweet flavor. If you are not subscribed to the channel, why not? Weight loss tips, healthy recipes, and you got Maxine. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe. This is my second one. I'm going to close this up and let's move on to the third one, right? Let's just take a look at this. Absolutely delicious instant belly burner weight loss recipes. This is great. Summer's coming up, holidays, vacations. Let's get in shape. Okay, so for my third and final detox weight loss water recipe, and like I said, these are great for instant belly fat burner. I drink these all the time and let me tell you guys, they are amazing. We're going to be using some oranges, we're going to be using some apples, and we also have our cinnamon stick. Okay, I would prefer you to use a cinnamon stick than just regular cinnamon. Alright, so let's get started with this recipe. I already have some water in my bottle. So to that I am going to add my oranges. I love oranges. If you love detox water, go ahead and give this video what? Big thumbs up. And once again guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that little button that says subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell because that's how you're gonna get your notification. And the flavor is going to be absolutely amazing. Can I say that again? amazing. All right, so let me add some water. Yes, honey. OMG. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to enjoy this deliciousness. And that's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner for you today. Go ahead and check out some of these other weight loss recipes that I have above your head. Click that little button for subscribe. And don't forget to what? Stay healthy.